So Menina, from tech to the kitchen now.
Absolutely.
So what we got today?
Today we have a multi-speed immersion hand blender.
Now, you know what is perfect? You know what I do with this Menina all the time? I make my bulletproof coffee.
Excellent.
If you're in keto, you make a bulletproof coffee. And
Yes.
if you want to make a mayonnaise, what are you going to get
that'd be
this?
awesome.
And if you want to cut whatever, and garlic,
Chop some onions.
chop onion. What I'm going to do as we talking, I'm going to show you some video on the side, what I did with this. But this is pretty cool. And I show you what we have. So this is the handle.
Yes.
This is the handle.
The motor with the cord.
Yes, 9 speed. I'm gonna change in camera angle. All right, so we can see the handle. They have a turbo. I have a turbo in 9 speed, and the whole thing will light up. This is a 110. It will work with the 220. Not sure if this works with 220. It works with 220. No, I will check that manual. We are here at 110. So it got a nice recipe.
We have a cookbook as well. Yes.
Yes, and the instructions as well, how to use it and how to get everything and how to clean everything. Let me see if this is a 110.
I'm trying to see, and
220.
it says
I guess
800 watt motor versus no 12 speed.
no, this is only 110. I see that it's only 110 right over here. All right,
It's
so
made
it's
for
pretty,
the US.
it makes for the pretty simple. You want to make a nice shake, plug
Yes.
this here, and now you have a great shake. And I use it for the avocados. You will see that
That's
video.
awesome to make super soft and nice
Yes, you
avocados.
will see that. Now you want to make a bulletproof coffee, so we go like this.
And you know what? You can also make baby food. You
Huh?
put all the vegetables, all the meat, and you can make the baby food.
So you want to make a bulletproof coffee. Now you can use this again,
Mhm.
and then whoop, you make a bulletproof coffee. And now this one, chop your onions, garlic. So
So the blade is made out of titanium, by the way, and this is
and then you just go
BPA-FREE.
like this, Menina. And yes, like this. I know. And now we can chop some onion. And what else we have? And to make mayonnaise or cream or
Cream for
whatever.
the cake.
Yes. Anyway, I'm showing the video as we talk.
Mhm.
And then now you can make mayonnaise or cream or whatever you want. Pretty cool.
You can also mix all the baking ingredients to make a cake.
Yes. So that's pretty cool. So Menina, all right, Menina, so how we get this cooler blender cutter and make a bulletproof coffee?
Well, all you have to do is click the link below.
Thank you, Menina.